Hey there everyone, welcome back to SG Media. In this video, we are gonna see the details about Marvel's first ever release series, WandaVision. If you are new to this media, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. If you lost the connection to all these movies, I recommend you to go first and watch my video on WandaVision full history and then continue this one. So without any further delay, let's hop into it. As we all know that Vision is already dead. Dead means real dead. We all have seen that in Avengers Infinity War, where Thanos killed him in the process of taking the Mind Stone from him to complete his Infinity Gauntlet. In the last few Marvel's movies, we all saw the chemistry between Wanda and Vision. But unfortunately, when Thanos snaps his fingers, Wanda turns into ashes along with half of the universe. So we can say that she didn't get time to express her sadness. 5 years later, Wanda went to see Vision, where she found out that Vision is truly dead. And the actual series of WandaVision starts from that point. In this series, things are shown in a little bit different manner. In the first few episodes, we saw that Wanda and Vision in black and white format, where we got confused and we literally don't understand what is going on. But in next few episodes, we start understanding what is actually happening here. As the girl named Monica Rambeau came into life after 5 years, who disintegrated into ashes 5 years back. She is a child of Maria Rambeau that we saw in the movie Captain Marvel. As soon as she comes back to the life, SWORD's director Hayward gives her the mission with FBI agent Jimmy Woo, in which she finds out that the whole town is missing. When Wanda found out Vision is truly gone, she goes to Westview, New Jersey, where she and Vision had brought deeds to the property. Her grief manifested in huge source of power and created the Westview anomaly and construct of her lost love. As she liked to watch sitcoms on television in her childhood, so unknowingly she creates her world which resembles to her favorite television show. On the boundary of Westview, when Monica tries to enter that energy field, she got disappeared from the outside world and finds out that everything is controlled by Wanda. But as soon as Wanda finds out she is not from Westview, she removes her from that energy field. During that time, SWORD put their camps outside the boundary of Westview to find out what's actually happening in there. They called various scientists, including astrophysicist Darcy Lewis, the one we saw in the movie Thor as well. The outside world tries to communicate with inside world through old radios and television frequencies, but she doesn't allow anyone to go outside or come inside of her energy field. When Monica returns from Westview, she tells everyone that all those things are actually controlled by Wanda. Because of that, the director of SWORD declares her as a terrorist. But Jimmy Woo, Monica and Darcy opposed him. It is shown that she is really scared, as her parents and brothers are already dead and don't want to lose what she has left with. Later in the series, she gives birth to twins as well. When Monica again tries to enter that boundary in order to warn Wanda about Hayward's plan, she gets magical powers as well. During first few episodes, it's shown that everything is controlled by Wanda, but that's not the actual case. The series takes a twist when her dead brother comes to the life, where she has no idea how did that happen. That thing is totally controlled by her neighbor Agnes. Her true name is Agatha Harkness and she is a witch from Salem who used to use a lot of dark magic. That's why the group announced to punish her with death. But she managed to kill all of them and got their powers. When she finds that Wanda created Westview anomaly, she came to know how she did it and take all her powers. But Wanda is also unaware about her powers. But then Agatha took her to past, where she found out that she is a witch, and when Hydra did an experiment on her with a Mind Stone, her powers increased to large extent. Outside the Westview, Howard wants to recreate Vision to use as a weapon. When he sends a drone in Westview anomaly, Wanda uses her power to throw it outside the anomaly. But later, Howard uses that drone to recreate Vision, that is no one but the White Vision, and set his program to kill Wanda and Vision. As Agatha wanted all powers from Wanda, Wanda agrees to give her all powers. In return, Agatha won't harm Westview citizens. Wanda fakes to give her powers to Agatha and traps her in her own trap, and absorbs all her powers to become a Scarlet Witch. But she doesn't kill Agatha. Instead, she permanently converts her in Agnes and left her to live in that city. On the other side, there is battle between Vision and White Vision is shown. But Vision managed to restore all memories in White Vision and tells him that he is the true Vision. Finally, Wanda sacrifices her loved ones to save Westview citizens. In the last episode mid-create scene, SWAT's director got arrested and one Skrull comes to visit Monica Rambeau, who comes from the reference of her mother's friend. In post-credit scenes, we see Wanda is living far from humanity and reading the book which she took from Agatha along with her powers. Name of that book is Darkhold, which is based on dark magic. It is shown that she is reading that book. Now what is she up to? Let me know your guesses in the comment section. Okay, that's it for this video. Let me know what else you want to see. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet. Stay tuned for such amazing stories. See you soon.